What's up, Cougar Nation? Coach Edmiston here. Hoping you're having a happy hump day. Yesterday, you were supposed to come up with some possible ideas for community improvement projects. And so we're going to talk about how you're going to go about implementing those today. So, yesterday, like I said, you were considering these projects. For day 38, my community at large, problem solving and planning. And so I'm going to read the assignment to you for today's assignment. Every project has steps on how to successfully complete the project. Examine the projects you are considering and decide on your final choice. You will need to organize how you will accomplish your project. Some steps are listed below to help you work. Design how you're going to conduct your community help project. Make a list of materials you need. Describe how you will make or build with your materials. 2, list people that you need help from if you do need help. 3, give steps on how to get the community help project to the necessary people. And 4, describe steps to follow to know if people were happy or were helped. So let's look at something that my daughter came up. And so here were her 5 ideas. 20 donations to children. My community needs a park, a neighborhood library, stopping littering, or 5, encouraging cards to kids' hospitals. And so I'm going to talk about a couple of these. Let's start with the neighborhood library. And so as we go through these questions, make a list of materials you need if you need any. So the first thing we're going to have to do is come up with some sort of apparatus that's going to hold books. And so we're going to probably need some wood and some tools to cut the wood and to build the box and maybe make a sign for it. List the people that you need help from. Well, she would definitely need help from me and possibly her mother. 3, give steps on how to get the community help project to the necessary people. Well, I think you've got to advertise. If y'all have never seen a little library, it's basically a box that you put by the sidewalk, and people come and they donate books or they exchange books for new books, and it's a way for people to share things they enjoy. And so we would have to probably use social media to get the word out. And then 4, describe the steps to follow to know if people were happier or were helped. I just think, for the library, we're talking about did they use it? Is it getting used? And so hopefully that'll work out. That's a pretty big project to bite off. So let's talk about something that maybe is a little bit easier for people to do. I like the idea of writing letters to either children in hospitals, or maybe even more importantly is retirement homes, because right now retirement homes are not allowing visitors at all, and that's a pretty lonely idea. And so what would we need for materials? Well, we would need paper and envelopes and stamps, and so we would have to attain those things. List people that you'd need help from. You could probably do it on your own. You could use the internet to look for local retirement homes, and maybe even make a phone call and ask, what's the proper way to do this so that it can get to the right people. 3, give steps on how to get the community help project to the necessary people. Again, make a list, talk to people at these retirement homes or these children's hospitals, and just ask how you can help. And then again, describe steps to follow to know. You could just check back in with the retirement home and ask how that went. So that's just a couple of ideas for projects and ways you can go about doing it. And then don't forget, when you get finished, you're going to want to go to the Google form and fill out what was done, first and last name, select your teachers. You guys know how to do this. And then describe your plan in detail. And so, guys, I'm really excited to see what you come up with. I know all the teachers are. You guys are a great bunch of kids, and this is really a rare opportunity to sit back and try to be a help for people. I hope this helped. I hope that everyone's staying safe and staying healthy. And if you need anything, reach out to a teacher. Have a good day, Cougars.